You can still score 150 marks in physics in Re-NEET 2026, even if the paper comes out to be the hardest one. Sir, are you sure? I am 100% sure. My dear NEET aspirants, there is only one subject in which examiner can play with your mind, that is subject physics, and you guys know it. And students right now are looking for the marks when it comes to the subject physics. So my dear NEET aspirants, in this particular video, this is not a clickbait video. Please listen to me very carefully. This is not a clickbait video. Make sure you watch this video till the end, because you will not find a video like this on the entire YouTube. This is going to boost your confidence. This is going to help you to get your selection, because if you want selection, you would have to score maximum when it comes to the subject physics, because examiner will not mess in the subject biology. Okay, so they can mess in only one subject, that is physics, even if the paper comes out to be the hardest. Okay, mark my words, you can still score maximum. That means 150 is guaranteed. If you do whatever I say in this particular video, make sure you watch till the end and you smash the like button. Listen to me very carefully. Physics, 150 marks, still possible. Listen to me very carefully. My dear NEET aspirants, expected paper. How many number of questions we have? Do you think that 45 questions can be the hardest? Do you think it is possible? 45 out of 45 are the hardest questions in NEET physics. Impossible, sir. It is not possible. No. Now see, what is the combination that is possible that I'm going to tell you in this particular video. Even if the paper came out to be the hardest, moderate or easy, this is going to be the combination. Please watch this carefully, whatever I say in this particular video. 25 questions are going to be easy. Even if the paper is hardest, I will tell you, I'll give you the full logic and full proof. 25 questions are going to be easy. 10 to 15 questions are going to be moderate. 5 to 10 questions are going to be hard. Now let me make the combinations. Listen carefully. If the paper is hardest, if the paper is easy, if the paper is moderate, this is fixed. 25, because I have analyzed the past 10 years papers. So I came up with the conclusion that in every single paper, approximately 25 questions are easy. Then my dear NEET aspirants, if the paper came out to be the moderate, then 15 questions will be from the moderate category. Listen carefully. If the paper came out to be the moderate level, then 15 questions will be from the moderate category. And if the paper came out to be the, and when it comes to the hard, then hard will be 5. 15 plus 5 is 20, 20 plus 25 is 45. This is going to be the combination. If the paper came out to be the hard, then 25 questions from easy category, 10 questions from moderate category, and 10 questions from hard category. These are the only 3 possible combinations that they can make. I have analyzed the past 10 years papers. So means 10 plus 10 is 20, 20 plus 25 is total 45 questions. Now, my dear NEET aspirants, what you guys are supposed to do, listen carefully. In order to achieve 150 marks, you must score, I would say, 37 to 38 questions. You have to basically solve 37 to 38 questions. Now, I am assuming right now you are already at 50 to 60 marks because you have recently given NEET, you have studied everything before. So I am assuming you are scoring already 50 to 60 marks. So my dear NEET aspirants, 50 to 60 marks means 15 questions. So 15 questions you are already done with. Now, 37 questions minus 15 questions means only 22 questions you have to solve in order to achieve 150 marks in physics. Oh, sir, this is amazing. Now, guys, let me tell you, when it comes to the subject physics, it means question practice. You must know the concept, then only it depends upon the question practice. Now, let me tell you, how can you gain these? Okay, before this is what, my dear NEET aspirant, there is something else also. There is something else also, proper schedule. Please do not leave the video. When it comes to the next 15 days, because we have approximately 15 days, what you guys are supposed to do if you are starting from right now itself? So you have to first complete this marathon, which I have already taken, complete class 11th part 1, because I have covered all the topics from which questions are confirmed in your Re-NEET 2026. You watch this part 1 11th, you watch this part 2 11th, okay? Then my dear NEET aspirants, complete part 12th part 1. And next complete 11th part 2 that I am going to take on Sunday, on this Sunday, okay, on this channel at 11 a.m. Go and smash the like on that particular session. This is what you guys are supposed to do, my dear NEET aspirants, in the first 4 days. First 4 days, complete your syllabus. Syllabus means I have completed all those questions from which questions are guaranteed in Re-NEET 2026. Okay. So how many hours you guys are supposed to study for the next 15 days? I would say 16 hours. Sir, am I supposed to study only physics? No, all the 3 subjects. But I'll tell you how much time you guys are supposed to give to the physics. My dear NEET aspirants, 4 hours of question practice you give for physics daily. Sir, can I achieve these 22 questions? I'll tell you. Wait. Now, what are the questions? NCERT questions, PYQs and modules. Okay, the notes which you have already made. Let's suppose you were studying in a batch. From that batch, you would have already made some notes. You will have to basically do that. Then, my dear NEET aspirants, because if you complete these 4 marathons, I have completed each and every single thing, okay, which is required in your NEET physics. That's why I'm recommending you that first. Now, 4 hours, let's suppose you are studying for 16 hours every single day. Only 4 hours you have to give to the physics every single day for the next 15 days. Okay, after completing the marathons, I'm saying. Means 150 questions you guys are supposed to solve every single day. Means in 4 hours, 150 questions. Means you are getting 90 seconds per question. Now, guys, first you have to basically go with the high weightage. I have completed all the chapters, but from those you have to list out the high weightage chapters. Okay, so from the high weightage chapters, you have to solve more questions. From low weightage chapters, you have to solve less questions. And if you solve 150 questions per day for the upcoming 15 days, my dear NEET aspirants, it comes out to be approximately 2,250 questions. Don't you think that out of these 2,250 questions, it is, don't you think, do you think that it is impossible to get 22 questions from these questions? Sir, I think 98%, 99%, I would say at least 95% probability is there that I'll score those 22 questions. Even I'll get all the 37 questions from these 2250 questions if I study 4 hours every single day, solve 150 questions. Chalo, not 150, at least 100 you can solve for 4 hours. Sir, easily. So if not 150, my dear NEET aspirant, 150 is guaranteed. If not 150, I would say 120 you can score easily. That is a guarantee, my dear NEET aspirants. This is the plan which if you follow for the upcoming 15 days, you guys are going to smash it, that is for sure. So my dear NEET aspirants, make sure you like this particular video. And on this channel, I would say the marathon will be on, I would say Sunday. This Sunday means day after tomorrow. Okay. So at 10 a.m., I'll be completing the 12th remaining part 2. Make sure, because I'll be completing modern physics, optics, okay, wave optics, semiconductors, all the chapters which are having the extremely huge weightage. Make sure you join with me live at 10 a.m. on Sunday, means day after tomorrow. And one more important thing, guys, right now, because I have gave you the complete schedule, mock tests are very important. So all India mock tests are going on in Unacademy completely free of cost. You don't have to do anything because mock tests play a very important role at this moment. So if you want to join, the link is in the description below. You'll be getting exact replica PYQ questions, everything in this mock test. So completely free of cost. Link is in the description. Even you can use my code to avail this. You don't have to pay anything, just free of cost. That is YAWAR. The link is in the description below. So make sure you smash the like button and you share it with your friends also. Thank you so much. Take care and bye.